Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. God gives me strength every day. There was a time when I was very sick. My body hurt all the time. I could not sit because of the pain. I could not stand for long. I could not lie down and rest. Every position made me feel worse. Some days I cried because I was tired and afraid. I did not know what would happen tomorrow. During those difficult days, I learned to trust God. I prayed every morning and every night. I said, God, give me the strength I need today. I did not ask for strength for next week or next year. I only asked for today. God gave me peace in my heart. He helped me stay calm even when I was in pain. My family supported me, and I never stopped believing. Little by little, I became stronger. I learned to enjoy every small victory. I thanked God for every new day. Now I value my health more than ever. I know that every day is a gift. I try to live with faith, hope, and gratitude. Life is not always easy, but God is always with me. He gives me the strength to live one day at a time. Vocabulary. Strength. Pain. Trust. Peace. Health. Grateful. Gift. Intermediate English. Learning to trust God through pain. One of the hardest seasons of my life began when I became seriously ill. The pain was so intense that I could not sit comfortably, stand for very long, or even lie down without suffering. Every movement reminded me of how weak I had become. There were moments when I felt discouraged, but I refused to lose my faith. Each morning I prayed with a simple request, God, give me the strength I need today. Instead of worrying about the future, I learned to focus on the present day. This daily prayer gave me hope and helped me face each challenge with courage. Although my recovery was slow, I began to notice small improvements. I appreciated every step forward, no matter how small it seemed. My experience taught me that good health is one of the greatest blessings we can receive. It also showed me that faith becomes stronger during difficult times. Today I am thankful for every breath, every step, and every opportunity to help others. I understand that life can change suddenly, but God's love never changes. He continues to guide me, comfort me, and remind me that I only need enough strength for today. Vocabulary. Recovery. Courage. Blessing. Appreciate. Challenge. Comfort. Opportunity. Advanced English. The transformative power of faith in times of suffering. Experiencing severe illness completely transformed my perspective on life. There was a period when every movement caused unbearable pain. Sitting, standing, or lying down became exhausting challenges that reminded me of my physical limitations. In those moments of vulnerability, I realized that my greatest source of strength could not come from myself alone. Rather than allowing fear to control my thoughts, I chose to place my confidence in God. Every day I prayed, God, give me the strength I need today. This simple prayer became the foundation of my perseverance. Instead of focusing on uncertainties about the future, I embraced the grace required for each new day. My journey taught me that healing is not only physical but also emotional and spiritual. Although complete recovery takes time, faith renewed my hope and gave meaning to my suffering. I discovered that true strength is often revealed when we feel the weakest. Today I treasure my health with a deeper sense of gratitude and purpose. Every sunrise reminds me that life is a precious gift entrusted to us by God. No matter how difficult the circumstances may become, I believe that His presence provides courage, hope, and sufficient strength to faithfully live one day at a time. Vocabulary. Transformative. Perspective. Unbearable. vulnerability, perseverance, embrace, entrusted. Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.